dropped your baby on the ground? Oh man. You want me to get it? Okay. You got off just to grab it. Here, let me help you back. There you go. You are too much, Zeus. You know that? Sebastian gave you a little towel. Oh, I say Sebastian's name and you get all excited. He's in his room. Your brother's in his room. No, keep hiding your raccoon. We just went poo-poo pee-pee. Yep. You just ate, didn't you? You had all your food. You ate eggies and rice. Huh? It was yummy. So where's your raccoon? Where's your new baby? There you go. Good boy. She just put it in my hand, aren't you? Okay. Let me get it. Yeah, put it down. You're too quick. Oh, I can get it from like this way. Huh? You're gonna have to get it this way. Huh? Yeah, I know. It's such a good boy. Oh, take your collar off too. That was some fun playing? Yeah? A little fun, baby?